Welcome back everybody, and welcome to my channel. This is my second video, so yay! Today we're going to be unpackaging, or I should say, we're going to be unboxing YumeTwins subscriptions. If you haven't heard of YumeTwins, it's a monthly subscription box that you can get. The box is a Japanese-based box. It has a whole bunch of Japanese goodies, from plushies to stationery things, to cups, to calendars, to bags, all sorts of little cool little knickknacks and goodies. I've been getting it for about 7 months now. I've been getting this. I really enjoy it. I thought I should share it with everybody because there's some cute little goodies in this. These are March's and April's subscription box, I do believe. March's and April's. They have themes for every box, and I don't quite remember what these themes are. You can get like a preview of some of the things that are in the box, but I don't really like to look too much because I like a little bit of a surprise. Sometimes I peek, but I made sure not to peek for these boxes, so I'm not too sure what's in them. Let's do this. Okay, first one. Ooh, okay, I'll let you guys see it first. Companions. Ooh, this looks cute. It comes with a little book that, tells you what's in the box and everything. But we're going to look at that later. I want, just to go into the box as a surprise. In every box, you get a plushie of some type. And I'm always looking forward to what the next plushie is going to be. And I'm pretty excited for this one. It's so cute and it's so soft. We have a Dumbo plushie. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Little pearl and a little star. Like, oh, I'm super down for that. I have quite the collection going on now. He is gonna have a nice little home in that collection. Ooh, so happy with that. Ooh. Next, we have, it's a little highlighter with Ariel on it. Songs Under the Sea, Ariel. Okay, blue and a pink. That's a nice little highlighter. Probably gonna carry it in my purse, because I'm super cool like that. Very nice. Let me see. Oh, that's kind of cute. Oh my gosh. It's a little change purse. And it's in the shape of like a puppy. Little latch to carry it, and oh my gosh. I love it. Like, that is really cute. A little impractical for me because I'm scared I'm gonna get it dirty and stuff. But I'm gonna keep it here and probably put it on my knick-knack thing over there. That's pretty cute. Really soft too, like really soft. I'm happy with that. Okay, this is interesting. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. I don't know how to pronounce the name of this character, and I do not want to butcher it, so I'm not going to say the name of it. But they're a little tumbler set, little drinky cups. Oh my god, that's ridiculous. So cute. Let's see, we have 4 of them, so we got that one, that one. Oh, my mistake, you have 3 of them. Still a pretty good deal. And you have that one. Oh my god, those are ridiculously cute. They're smaller than I thought they were gonna be, but they're still a decent size. I'm really excited to use those. Put my water in them in the summer and drink, because I'm super cool. 2 more things. Ooh, this is kind of cute. Ooh, I actually needed one of these, so that's kind of handy. This is a Like a little key fob thing. I can carry my keys and all sorts of cool things on that. Oh, exciting. I think this is Simona and Friends, but I'm probably butchering the name again, so moving on. So this is a little, like, file folder. I've gotten one from them before. It was a neon pyre. It's like a cat vampire. And it's a really nice file folder. And I use it all the time, so I'm really happy I got another one from them because I'm always in need of things to organize the immense amount of crap I have. Oh, and I should mention, so with YumeTwins, they have this code right there. And you can go on their site and you can put the code in and you get points and prizes. So you can get like $10 vouchers for their sister site, like Japan Haul. And you can get extra little prizes in your box and whatnot. And it's a really cool, just extra gift to their clients and customers, which I really like. And I'm on like 800 points right now, so I'm pretty happy. I've gotten two $10 vouchers and a $5 voucher from my codes and stuff and the points that I've been rewarded for the codes. Nice little extra gift they give you there. Okay, so let's quickly go over the little booklet, Spring Companions. Let's see, March 2019, volume 34. So what's inside my box? So what's inside the box? We have a Disney Dreamy plushie. So, check. Oh, so you could have gotten Minnie Mouse, Miss Bunny from Bambi, Dumbo, which I got, or Marie from the Aristocats. I would have loved Marie. I'm happy with Dumbo, but I loved Marie. And, oh yeah, cute tumbler set. We got that. Oh, so it could have been Splatoon, or the Real Akuma, or the Real Akuma. Well, I'm glad I got the other ones. Nothing against Splatoon, but I'm just not, a big fan, so I'm happy I got the other set. And, yep, animal face pouch. Kawaii key holder, got that. Disney highlighter pen, we got that too. And cutesy organizer file. Okay, so we got everything that's said in here. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm really excited to see what's in the next box now. Okay, so this is April's box. I'm excited. Something is pushing against it. You can tell that whatever it is pretty large. So let's get to it. Let's see. So excited! This one is so big. The plushie is huge. And the box is called Fluffy Pen Pals. That makes sense. Okay. So we're going to put the book down because I don't want to spoil anything yet. Oh my god. Oh my god. No way. Oh. Look at it. Oh my god, it has a butthole. Sorry. Look at it. I don't even know what to say about it. It's like a dog with a strawberry hat. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can take the strawberry thing off. I am going to wear this and it will be amazing. The possibilities. Sorry, my friend, you will not be the only one wearing that strawberry. And look at the detail. Oh my god. This just makes me so happy. I don't care about what else is in the box. This completes my life. Oh, I'm gonna put Doggo right here. Strago? Doggo and strawberry. Strago is gonna stay right there. Ooh, okay, on to the next things. Not too sure what this is. Oh my god, it's a goddamn magnet. It's a plushy magnet. I've never seen a plushy magnet. That kind of just opens up so many different possibilities in my mind. That's awesome. Oh, next thing. This looks kind of interesting. And there we have a little box, but it's a toothbrush stand. It has like a hole, and you can put, if you have a normal toothbrush, I mean I have a normal and an electrical one. So my normal one can go sitting in this, but yeah, that's pretty cute. Little kitty. Let's see. Oh, cute. Oh my gosh. So this is just really funny because I'm obsessed with tea, like obsessed with tea. And not just tea, like it's orange pico tea I'm obsessed with. But it's the cream. There has to be the right amount of cream in it. And my boyfriend laughs at me all the time. He calls me a creamaholic. This just makes my day. It's a little notebook. It says cream milky holic. And it's like a little book talking about your obsession with milk and cream. It just made my day. Like, that is super cute. That fits me very well. Well, this box has been very exciting so far. Next item. This is really cute. We have a pen. A Pikachu pen. Pokemon. Well, it says Pocket Monsters on this pen because that's what it's called in Japan, Pocket Monsters. Yeah, that's really cute. You have Pikachu. Oh my god, Pikachu with his ketchup bottle. Iconic. But you have him eating all sorts of delicious things and then hugging a ketchup bottle. That's gonna be my new pen I use. Woo. Last thing in this box. Oh, okay. It is a placemat. I mean, you could use it as like a little table cover or whatever, but that's really cute. That's well made too. Like, that is very nice stitching. Doesn't actually feel cheap. I'm really happy with it. That's super cute. Probably gonna use this in my bathroom somewhere. Maybe my kitchen. Okay, let's go through the book. Okay, so Fluffy Pen Pals, YumeTwins, April 2019. What's inside this box? You can get Shiba and Cat Strawberry plushies. Okay, yeah, so I got a... I do believe, yeah, mine's a oh no! I got a kitty! Okay, I thought I got a Shiba Inu. No, but this is a Cat Strawberry one. Oh, okay, sorry, Cato. So, Strato? Now I gotta find a new name for it. Okay, and I was right, a plushie magnet. So that one is definitely a magnet. So that's pretty sweet. And then we got a Pokemon pen. Check, check, check. Oh, there were some really nice metal ones, not plastic ones. I guess I got a, one of the cheaper versions, but that's okay. I'm very happy with it still. And then the, oh, Pet's lunch mat. So it is like a lunch mat. And then I got, yeah, toothbrush stand and the Kawaii notepad. Check. So I got everything that's in the April lineup. Sometimes they run out of something and they replace it with another item, but the other item is always really nice and it's up to the same value, so I'm never disappointed. But I got everything that was in the box that was supposed to be in it, so I'm very happy. I think me and Cato need to go have a nap. So cozy. I am so happy with this. But yeah, that was both the boxes. My May box should be coming in pretty soon. Look out for that video. And I'm gonna be doing them one at a time from now on. I just had the 2 months, you know, already here, so I decided to do both descriptions in one video. From now on, it's just gonna be one box for each video. That was a lot of fun. I'm really excited to go through all my goodies again and find homes from them in my home. That's everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, maybe leave a like and subscribe if you feel like it. It's always appreciated. I hope to see you all next time. Bye, everybody.